So the goal would be here to live with nature, for nature, protecting the environment as best as we can. So by living here with permaculture principles, we hope to be able to reintegrate biodiversity where the jungle has been cut down before, and leave what's virgin and wild the way it is as much as we can. The reason why we choose permaculture is because we believe that human beings living in nature can have a positive impact on their environment. We hear often of trying to be carbon neutral. Well, we want to be carbon positive. What we want to do is reintroduce biodiversity and teach people about it as well. The goal would be, yes, to protect this place and keep it away from the hands of the people that want to profit from the jungle. So the short-term perspective here is to start building our first permanent structures, of course with permaculture principles and natural materials. And to do so, we want to work, teach and learn with the local communities, with the travelers community, and we could do that with workshops and classes about permaculture, yoga, natural building, and hopefully get ourselves a little bit more comfortable here without, with of course keeping in mind that we want to keep it simple. And by doing so, we get closer to nature and really feel like a children again. Sometimes we're like amazed how happy we are with the most simple colors or light or the shape of a leaf.